Mensahe ng past person mo, Taurus. I want you. I knew exactly what I was doing. My life is not as together as it seems. We will be together again. I look for you everywhere. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Ano natin ko ng mensahe for you? In stillness, I receive. Makikita mo, di ba? Napakaganda ng mensahe for you na kung ano yung mga bagay na binigay mo. Pinasok mo yung mga positive sa puso mo, sa isipan mo. Yun din yung darating sa'yo.